Hi, today we're going to learn about how our profile velocity works in a direct-fired makeup air unit, known as our HE series. We have two different controller configurations you may see in the field. The first being the CENTCON controller with the PXM and MXM modules. The second being the next-gen base controller. Both configurations have the same functionality and interface that we will cover later in this video. Here you see the burner and profile plate. The profile plate is this picture frame-like border around the burner. Each profile plate opening is sized specifically for the designed airflow of each unit. We do this to maintain a 0.48-inch pressure drop across the profile plate. This will ensure for proper combustion. Here we have the two sensing tubes that measure the pressure drop going across the profile plate. We have one here on the low side and one here on the high side. These two tubes extend back into the unit to their respective ports on the control board. If you're running into any pressure drop or airflow issues, please check both tubes for damage, debris, or moisture that has accumulated inside the tube. High humidity spaces can result in moisture moving back into the unit and freezing up these tubes. Any blocked tubes can be blown out after being disconnected from the controller using dry nitrogen. Other common causes of airflow issues can be loose belts, dampers not fully opening, dirty fan wheel, improper air balance, and dirty or plugged filters. During the winter months, the filters should be removed. Improper airflow is a common issue during startup of new equipment, and air balance must be performed to ensure the unit is delivering the designed CFM. When connected to the controller's interface, you will open the MXM page by pressing this tab at the top. Once opened, you can see the pressure sensor reading in inches water column. On the left, you can see the very low pressure set point, low pressure set point, and high pressure set point. During normal operation of the unit, the ideal pressure drop across the profile plate is 0.48 inches water column. The high trip point is anything above 0.75 inches water column, and the low trip point is 0.18 inches water column. The unit can run in between these two set points. The very low pressure set point is 0.12 inches water column. This indicates that the fan rotation is wrong or there is a complete restriction of airflow. Here we will simulate a low airflow alarm. As you can see, the profile plate sensor is reading below the low pressure set point. After a short time delay, the burner alarm light will illuminate. Press on the alarm tab and this will show the detailed alarm code. Reset the alarm by pressing the reset button. Refer to this checklist of potential issues you may encounter in the field in regard to airflow for a direct-fired makeup air unit. Thank you for listening to this presentation. If you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to visit our website at engineeredair.com for manuals, video manuals, and local tech support.